Hello everyone, welcome to prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation which is 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x, this is equal to 80. So what is the value of x? Now if it is your first time you come across my videos, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. So solution from here, we have that this exponential equation is in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, which you can express as 8 to the power n plus m. So let's apply this exponent property. We will have 5 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 80. The next step here, this is 5 to the power x plus x. This is 2x, which is equal to 80. So to solve for the value of x, let's introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So you'll have log 5 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 80. Now, log 5 to the power 2x, this is actually in the form of log a to the power n, which you can express as n log a. So the next step, applying this property, log 5 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 5. So this is equal to log 80. Now let's divide both sides by log 5. Log 5. So that now let's simplify log 5 and log 5 here. So we have 2x, this is equal to log 80 divided by log 5. We can express 80 as 16 multiplied by 5. Okay? So in this case, we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 16 multiplied by 5. All this divided by log 5. The next step here, we'll have 2x, this is equal to log 16 times 5. This is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So let's apply this logarithm property. So we'll have log 16 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5. So the next step here, let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies, so that we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 16 divided by log 5 plus 1. Okay, so let's proceed from here. Now we have 2x is equal to log 16 divided by log 5 plus 1. Now from here we can express 16 as 2 to the power 4. So let's substitute this. We'll have 2x, this is equal to log 2 to the power 4, which is basically equal to 16, divided by log 5 plus 1. So the next step here, we find that log 2 to the power 4, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. So let's apply this property. So we'll have 2x, this is equal to 4 log 2, okay, divided by log 5. Then this plus 1. So let's divide both sides by 2 here. Let's divide both sides by 2. So that now here we have x is equal to, we'll have half plus, now here we have 4 divided by 2 log 2 divided by log 5. Now here we have x is equal to half plus 4 over 2. If you simplify here, this is 2. So x is equal to half plus, this is 2 log 2 divided by log 5. We can express log 2 over log 5. This is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property, so that now x here is equal to half plus, this is 2 log 2 to base 5. Now this is the value of x. Now let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end that 5 to the power x multiplied by 5 to the power x, this should give us a value of 80. So now from here, we find that 5 to power x times 5 to power x, we say this is in the form of 8 to power n times 8 to power m, which we can express as 8 to power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, we'll have 5 to power x plus x, which is 2x. This should give us a value of 80. Now let's quickly substitute the value of x. We'll have 5 to power 2 multiplying by x, which is half plus 2 log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 80. So let's simplify here quickly so that we'll have this 2 and 2 simplifies here. So you'll have 5 to power 1 plus, this is 2 times 2. So this is 4 log 2 to base 5. So this should give us a value of 80. Okay. So the next step here, we have 5 to power 1 plus 4 log 2 to base 5. This is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which you can express as 8 to power n times 8 to power m. Now applying this exponent property, okay, so 5 to power 1 plus 4 log 2 to base 5, this becomes 5 to power 1 multiplying by 5 to power 4 log 2 to base 5. This should give us a value of 80. So here we have 5 to power 1 multiplying by, now this is 5 to power 4 log 2 to base 5. So this is a power. We can express this as 5 to power log 2 to power 4 to base 5. This should give us a value of 80. The next step here, 5 to power log 2 to power 4 to base 5. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is equal to a. So applying this property, we find that we'll have 5 to power log 2 to power 4 to base 5. This should give us a value of 16. So let's substitute this. So now from this, we have 5 multiplying by 16. This is equal to 80. So if you say 5 times 16, this is actually equal to 80, which is equal to 80. So that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So now, and that affirms that the value of x, which is essentially half plus 2 log 2 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe.